You're just a hungry baby. Look.
Come here, baby.
Oh, yum.
Go that way. Yeah, there you go. That's so good. Come on. Let's go bye-bye. Let me save you.
You want to go bye-bye? Let's go home.
You're a good girl.
Do you want to go home?
Let's go. Come on. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm going to help you. Come on.
Good.
You're a good girl.
What a brave mama.
Yes, that's so brave. Come on. Oh, yeah, we like these now. Yes, come on. I'm not going to hurt you, baby. Come here.
Good girl.
Oh, no, it's okay. Shh.
Good.
You're a good girl. You're a very good girl. That's okay. I'm not hurting you. You're just a baby. Oh, no. It's a bus. It's okay. Does this shut? Does this get? It's okay, girl. No. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. It's okay. Come here, honey. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. I know. You're just a scary girl. It's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you. It's okay. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. I need you to get a slip lead, but they need to block that gate. It's okay. Come here. Yeah, that's a good girl. It's okay, honey. It's okay. Abby? It's okay. Come here. Come here, honey. It's okay. I know. It's okay. It's okay. Good girl. No. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. Have him go in my car. If there's one literally in the front seat. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you, honey. It's okay. Good. Watch out! Okay. Honey, come here. It's okay. Baby girl. No. It's okay. Nope, it's okay. Here we go. It's okay.